All right, so we're diving deep today into the world of yoga and Pilates.
Two fitness systems everybody's talking about these days.
Yeah, and I think a lot of people are kind of confused about the differences.
Yeah.
Which one should I pick? Is one better than the other?
Right.
Our source material for this deep dive is this article, Yoga versus Pilates, which is right for you.
Okay.
It's kind of like you walk into a bakery and you see this beautiful cake,
Mm-hmm.
and then right next to it is this incredible looking pie.
Ooh.
You want both.
You gotta pick.
You got to pick one. So
Yeah.
yoga's been around for ages, right?
Oh, yeah. The absence of years.
It's all about like this mind, body, spirit connection.
That's right. A holistic system, for sure.
Holistic. Okay. And then you've got all these different types of yoga too.
So many, like, hatha, vinyasa.
I've heard those names, but
Those are just the tip of the
I
iceberg.
don't really get what they mean.
Okay, well, in a nutshell, hatha yoga is more about holding poses,
Okay.
Really getting deep into the stretch and connecting with your breath.
So it's slower.
Yeah, you could say that vinyasa, on the other hand, is all about flow.
Flow.
Yeah, moving from one pose to the next, kind of like a dance.
Oh, that sounds fun.
It can be quite a workout.
So it's more like cardio then.
Yeah, you'll definitely break a sweat.
So you were saying something about the mental and spiritual benefits of yoga.
Oh, absolutely. It's not just about the physical,
Right.
Yoga can actually lower your stress levels.
Really?
Yeah, studies have shown that it reduces cortisol, the stress hormone.
Interesting.
Plus, it helps you focus, clear your mind.
It makes you more mindful.
Exactly. And some people even find a spiritual connection through yoga.
I can see how that could happen.
It's a very personal experience, though. Not everyone's looking for that.
So Pilates is a lot newer than yoga, right?
Way newer. It was developed in like the early 1900s by a guy named Joseph Pilates.
Oh.
He was really into rehab, helping people recover from injuries. So Pilates focuses a lot on core strength.
Core strength. Okay.
And precise movements. You really have to control your body.
Interesting. And I've heard that Pilates uses all these crazy contraptions.
Oh, you mean the equipment? Yeah, things like the Reformer and the Cadillac.
Cadillac, like the car.
No, haha, it's a Pilates machine.
Oh, okay.
They use springs and pulleys to give you resistance.
So it's like a more intense workout then.
Oh, it can be very challenging, yeah.
I'm starting to get a sense of the differences here.
Yeah.
Yoga's more about flexibility, breath work, mindfulness.
That's a good summary. And Pilates is all about core strength and control.
Right. But they both seem to make you stronger and more flexible in the end.
That's true. Both systems work on your muscles and joints.
But they go about it in different ways.
Exactly. In yoga, you're mainly using your own body weight for resistance.
I see.
But in Pilates, you're often using these machines to add extra resistance.
Okay. So which one should I choose then? It's so hard to decide.
Well, it really depends on what you're looking for,
Like, what are my goals?
Exactly. Do you want a gentle flowing practice or something more structured?
And what about the spiritual side of yoga? Does that come up in every class?
Not necessarily. It depends on the teacher and the style of yoga.
Okay.
But even in a fitness-focused class, you're still going to be focusing on your breath.
Right.
And being present in your body. That's a form of mindfulness in itself.
That makes sense.
So if you're curious about yoga, don't be intimidated by the spiritual stuff.
Okay.
Just try it out and see what resonates with you.
So what's the best way to figure out which one is right for me?
Honestly, the best thing is to try both.
Try both, okay.
Most studios offer intro classes for both yoga and Pilates.
So I should just go and see how it feels.
Yeah, pay attention to your body, what you enjoy, what challenges you.
Great advice. So we've learned a lot today. Yoga is this ancient practice. It's all about flexibility, strength, breath work, mindfulness.
Right.
And Pilates is the newer system that focuses on core strength.
And precision.
Precise movements. They both have amazing benefits. It's just a matter of finding the right fit for you.
Exactly.
You don't have to limit yourself to just one either.
That's true.
Maybe you do Pilates to build up your core strength.
Yeah.
And then you try a vinyasa flow class to get your cardio in.
That's a great idea.
It's all about finding what works for you.
Exactly what you enjoy and what you can stick with.
So listeners, tell us, what are you leaning towards? Yoga or Pilates?
Or maybe both.
We'd love to hear about your experience.
Yeah, let us know.
Until next time, keep diving deep.
Dive on.
See ya.
See you guys.